Business before KBMax was really confusing. You don't necessarily think of helmets being as a very complex product, but when you start to do the math, there's billions and billions of ways you can configure a helmet. One of our biggest problems was order accuracy. The way the products are sold today are very much a hand-to-hand individuals. You could imagine a sales rep going into a locker room. And so our approach has really been to take this digital capability and shift our entire business to this digital way of selling. For us, it was really important that we found something that's user-friendly, that is custom enough but not too custom, and that we would always have to have a developer there. And it was really important that it would tie into all of our different sales channels. It became really, a great sort of union when we found KBMax, because they had built this platform and it was on a scalable infrastructure, which is really important to me. The key parts that KBMax has helped us solve was taking from what that customer has configured in their shopping cart directly to the shop floor for where that custom product needs to be built. And so for us, that automation was key for improving the customer experience. Currently, while it's integrated into our e-commerce platform, which is Shopify, we are also a Salesforce customer. We are working on integrating it into our quoting process for the team sales side of our business, as well as our internal order entry for our customer service. Having one place to go and one set of business rules to manage how orders are entering into our system is really critical for us to be able to scale our business. Some of the benefits from KBMax that we've already realized is our conversion rate online has gone up a couple points, which is in that world is really big. And our newest product that launched with the Shadow XR has been our best e-commerce launch that we've had for a new product. The amount of time that our developers save on having to solve some of these really complex problems, and so that they can focus on some of those other key areas, to me is maybe some of the biggest, most important value provided by KBMax. The number of orders we have gotten have gone up significantly, and a large part of that is due to the customer experience and the ability to go through and customize a product. The other reason I would recommend KBMax is their platform has really transformed the way we do business, and our ability to make changes quickly, and the technical competency that was used to really deliver this and develop this product this is new age technology, really, and we're bringing it into a world that hasn't seen a lot of this technology. So we're excited to introduce a whole new way of selling through KBMax.